the flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline.
Kobani tumdi diwie rubber no kita no that foam. Ebi mo opa ball possible. They will look at the ball and throw the and chale chide we hu there baby kita ni nsem no do to foam. The ball over flow on no drugu sinim. And you ask yourself why? Why this? Obola no wo fie no insuru 20 asa obola no advantage e dey go good no da akọ enim baby all talk. You don't know where the baller is going to chalk some places and later insu bottom wa flood the baller wo fie. And
these plastics wash into the drain and they go and block the drain. Unfortunately, Nana Misremu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams.
Our traditional rulers, this part is my favorite, where he made mention or specify one day traditional rule. No. Tell it, assassin to the who there, baby, the war, or ya assassin. In sumo, Robotan, causing these kind of problems. And after you tell us that it's engineering problems.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all.